Welcome to another Google Chat tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Chat on phone. All right. This is not as complicated as using the Google Chat for PC. But as you can see here, we have the three horizontal lines. Just click on it or tap on it. You'll be able to set your status right here. It could be automatic or you're online. And the status right here. Hit on edit. And you can just go ahead and type in, I'm away. All right, check mark. Now going back, here's the setting. All right, you can go ahead and change the theme right here. It could be dark or light or whatever your system is using. Now if you want to find a person or chat a person, just go ahead and tap on the search and chat right here at the top. All right, and look for the specific person. For example, this guy right here. All right, as you can see, here are some matching suggestions. Just go ahead and tap on the email if this is the correct one. If not, just go ahead and type in the full email. All right, tap on it, and here you can just go ahead and compose your message. All right, hi again. Hit on send, and here you can add photos or directly from your camera, GIFs, meet links, files, and some other good stuffs. All right, put some emojis as well. Right here, you have a ton of options, unlike using the PC version. All right, and here again, photos, for example, that one, hit on send, and just wait for the person's reply. And here you can just go ahead and make a call or a video call. It's up to you, or look for a specific message within the chat. All right, going back. In here, we have the direct messages. Here's your spaces and the apps. Here are the three dots. You'll be able to see your mentions and start. Now, when you click on this icon, which has the plus icon and a message one, here you can go ahead and create your space, browse spaces, find apps, and your message requests. All right. Now, in here at the top right, you have your profile. You can go ahead and swap profiles right here. By doing so, just tap on add another account. Or you can just go ahead and manage accounts right here and delete other accounts. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.